eyes, pray when you sleep, yeah. Don't be cruel, open up your heart and say, hold on. There will be better days, there'll be better days. God, oh God, please help me. I need someone that can guide me the right way, the right way. I don't need you to judge me, I just need someone to love me the right way. We dream, we hope, we pray for better days.
Let it rain, every storm followed by a brighter day. Recognize love when you see it. Only you can open up your heart and say, hold on. There will be better days, there will be better days.
God, oh God, please help me. I need someone that can guide me the right way, the right way. I don't need you to judge me, I just need someone to love me the right way. We dream, we hope, we pray for better days. We dream, we hope, we pray for better days. We dream, we hope, we pray for better days. Better days, better days, better days. We dream, we hope, we pray for better days. Oh, better days, oh, better days. We dream, we hope, we pray for better days. We dream, we hope, we pray for better days. We dream, we hope, we pray for better days.
It's like this is all a game, and I haven't been told what the rules are. Or even worse, if I had, I am ill-equipped to follow them. All I can do is provoke. I become spiteful. I'm just as bad as they are. I'm worse. I fucking hate myself for it. I am so fucking lonely.
I'm so alone, never thought you would make my heart be broke. I gotta let go, all the pain will eat me if I don't. How can I cope and feeling so low since you have hit the road? Turn to a person I no longer know. Memories of us will still give me hope. I'm still haunted by all these ghosts. I don't feel wanted, I've been on my own. Nobody's calling me up on my phone, and I need you to talk, but I just get the tone. Yeah, wish we ain't met. Sometimes I feel like I'm better off dead. What hurts the most, you were my best friend. Now you're the one that my heart regrets.